So what's the page limit that you're typically looking for? Is it typically one page, as I often recommend, or what warrants going over one page?
Yeah, one page, definitely one page. Totally agree. It has to be professional resume. Resume is my favorite thing to talk about because it's the part of the application that I feel always gets kind of the last look. People think that I don't know why, but I always see the worst kind of typos, the worst formatting, the worst editing, the oddest choices in general. It should look professional. If you're going to start at Brooklyn Law School within 3 months, you could be applying to a federal judge as a Brooklyn Law School student. And we want to make sure that you represent Brooklyn Law School professionally. Times New Roman, no weird font or colors or pie charts. I have just a list of basically don'ts for resume, if you don't mind.
Sure, please go ahead.
No, no objectives at the top. We know what your objective is. It's to go to law school. And almost every time I see an objective, it's about like getting a job somewhere. So you can tell that they just used their resume from something else. No kind of summary of your skills, like no highly motivated, fast learner, quick thinker, extreme attention to detail. Don't tell me, show me. If you tell me you're a fast learner, I'd rather see on your resume, for example, that you were promoted within a few months at a certain position, for example. If you say everybody that has attention to detail will have some type of typo or weird formatting issue. If I see an immaculate resume, I'll say, wow, that person really pays a lot of attention to detail. It's better for us to come up with that conclusion than for you to set a high expectation. If I see attention to detail, you better believe I will be going through that resume and personal statement with as fine a tooth comb as I can find. The other big thing for resumes is as you said a few minutes ago, it should be the best things on there. I'm sure that you have more than one page to fill up, but it should only be a page because it should really be the best things you did. And in general, I don't want to see anything before college because that was at least 4 years ago, depending on when you're applying to law school. And it also sends a signal to us that you haven't done enough in the last 4 years to fill up a resume. There's a few exceptions always. Let's say you started a nonprofit that is the passion that you want to go into, specifically in high school. Definitely include that. Maybe you were like a top oralist in mock trial in high school. You can include that. Use your judgment. Obviously, every rule has exceptions, but definitely keep it to the most recent things. Those my overall resume don'ts.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.